Hey, what's up traders, welcome to a new video. So in this video I quickly go over a impressive daily candle close momentum strategy. So over here, this is TradingView. You can create a free account. This is my charting platform. I'm looking at Apple stock right now on the daily time frame. Over here you can see it, and basically what we do is we are looking for a specific trend, which is in this case an uptrend. We see price slowly goes to the upside. So are we going to look for sell trades? No, because we trade with the trend. That increases our probability of a successful trade. So we are only looking for buy opportunities. What you also can do, you go to the indicator section, which is here, and then you look for exponential moving averages, and I use this indicator, so that's basically 10 in one different moving averages. And then you can play around with the settings. I have the 50, the 200, and optional is the 800, but it basically shows that we are in an uptrend, right? So the price is going to the upside, but we also see that the moving averages are pointing upwards and also go to the upside. So that's good. We only look for buy opportunities. So what we then do, we look for candles that are bigger than other candles. So we only trade daily candlesticks that close with a big body. So over here we go to another indicator, which is the if you look for body, then we go down and you click on this one, candle body size by Siamate. You click on that one, and then you can play around with the settings over here. You go here, and then just use a different color. So average size, I believe default setting is white, but I have made it purple for this case, and this is this is not something that you worry about, just default. And okay, so what do we do? So we have identified a long-term trend, and we go down and we are only looking for buy candles, so bullish candles that are that close above the purple line. In this case it's a purple line, so that means that the body of the candle is bigger than other candles, right? So we don't trade when the body is really small. That means a lot of indecision. So we only trade big momentum candlesticks. So over here, this is a nice buy trade. So it's a daily candle, so it closes, so we enter the trade the next day, which is here. Nice. Or let's say you trade a few minutes before the close, which is also good. So then you also have a nice profit because of the gap, right? So that's something you can do. Over here we see another candle. Let me see here. So we take the buy trade, goes to the upside. Here we take the buy trade, goes to the upside. Here we take a buy trade. In this case, it went a little bit to the upside, but then it went down. So it depends on where your stop loss is being placed. Over here we see another buy to the upside. So we only trade momentum candlesticks. So momentum means that there is a lot of volume, and when there's a lot of volume, let's say to the upside in this case, then we only take the trade. So not when there's not a lot of volume, when there's a lot of indecision in the market, we don't trade. We wait, we sit on our hands, we don't do anything until we see a lot of bullish volume in the market, and then we take the trade, right? Over here again, we're in an uptrend still. So every time when we see the green bars close above the, in this case, purple-ish color, then we take the trade. So these are all winners. We take a buy, and of course it depends on where you exit as well. That's not really what this video is about. Everyone has a different exit. For example, you can use the RSI when it's overbought, and when it starts to go down, then you perhaps exit the trade, or when you see a bearish candle, you can exit the trade. It entirely depends on what you want. Perhaps you're looking for a specific number of points, or it entirely depends on what you prefer. But this video is about the momentum the daily close momentum strategy, that you identify a long-term trend. You can use the exponential moving averages, whatever you want. You wait for a big body candle to close on the daily chart, and then you take the trade, right? So that's basically the strategy. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.